Welcome to ClonBrowser. Let's see how Mac users can install ClonBrowser. Firstly, open our official website. Go to the download page and choose the Mac version. You can check your version by following the tutorial on the page. Then download and open the installation package. But the Mac system will prompt us that this application cannot be installed. At this point, we need to open the System Settings Privacy, Security. Scroll to the bottom and select Open Anyway. Follow the installation step. Appropriate authorization, and then it will install automatically. ClonBrowser will open automatically after installation. Start and enjoy your ClonBrowser journey.